What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Woohoo! What's up, guys? Moved out the cars, shop's all clean, dusted out, get everything out of the way. Now it's time to work on, look at that, the 240 right there. It's been a very long time. But it's time to paint it and get this thing running. Everything's pretty much all stripped out. Just need to remove the fuel filter, the brake booster needs to come out. Yeah, that's really about it. Just these two, and then it'll all be ready to clean up and prep and ready to paint. Get rid of this green. This green was a fun idea at first when I first did everything to the car, but I've outgrown it and it's time for a new color. So we're heading over here to another secret location. Get him, Duke, get him! Come here. Come here, Duke.
He's all happy right now.
Hey. Yes, hi.
Mateo, come here.
Hi, miss. Hello.
That's Frankie.
I'm Frankie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Come to me. Look how all this is. Look at him. Where are we going? To the park.
Need the grinder to pull off, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but we're gonna come in here.
We gotta cut some metal.
Let's see.
Welcome
to Jurassic Park. Look at this. This is where all began. Where it began. Remember we had the 240 right there?
Yeah.
We dropped the motor in. That was pretty fun. Oh, it's Optima, huh? Yeah. Dang. Oh yeah. Dang. I haven't been here in forever, dude. Oh heck yeah. That was good. On this piece. Oh, stencil of that. That's cool. This is where we came here for it. Got it. And again, this bad boy. So we could take off this little battery tray right here. Take that off. The old box for the air intake right here. Pop these guys off. Grind it down. And then it should be nice and smooth. And for this spot, I wanted to put the intake that comes out through the throttle body. I'll come through here, which let's be this, and it'll just come straight down, and it'll be really nice. And look who it is! Hey, Frankie.
What's up, guys? Are you guys ready to do this?
Let's do it.
Have some fun today. We're gonna be cutting some stuff, and also we're gonna be helping Joe with his beautiful car.
All right. Yeah.
Cover the brackets and then just grind them down.
All right. Let's do it. Hey, it's your old boy Joe. Just a little update. Frankie left, but he gave me a hand for a little bit grinding and doing some recording, so that was super helpful. Thanks for coming. Another buddy stopped by. He wanted to do some recording of his own. My buddy Angel. What's up, Angel?
What's up, guys?
Where you at? Where you at? Anywhere. What you got there?
I got a Can 60D with the stabilizer.
All right. Yeah. Good on. Commercial break. Woo! Yeah, buddy.
Well, we need to hammer it back on to like something more spherical, more straight.
Yeah, I'll hammer it down. What's up, guys? Second day of the engine bay. The other night, saw that I grinded all this stuff off. That is disgusting looking, but I'm gonna make a hole right there eventually. But before I do that, I want to show you. Look at the Cruceta. Show you what I recently got from a buddy. Soon it'll run. I don't know when. Show you guys what I got. A buddy of mine hooked it up with some little aftermarket bucket seats. I got a set of those. Replace these brown ones. And this interior is just gonna look amazing. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Just gotta make some brackets for it though. Alright, let's get back to work. Got everything all covered up, everything sanded, prepped and ready to go. I'm gonna spray some glossy white on it. Show you the cans I got. There's shipwreck. Doing some minor touches to some minor pieces. So we got right here a couple cans of this stuff. They're gonna clear it up with this. What's up, guys? So look at that right there. It's done. Woohoo, it looks good. Came out really good. Just waiting for it to dry up before I could lay that clear coat on there. Other than that, way better than all that green and red nonsense going on. Can't wait to put the motor in, which is right over here. And for this guy, I'll be removing all the EGR, air hoses and stuff, all that nonsense that we don't need. So that'll be another video, another day. But for now, look at that. That looks so good. What do you think about a shipwreck?
I've yet to see clean 240.
It's been a long time, huh?
No, it's nice. It's a step in a good direction.
Yeah.
In a running direction.
Alright guys, the green's gone. Looks way better. So if you want to see more of this build, especially if you like this episode and you want to see more, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Woohoo! That's little Sebastian.